Si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na ang bagong Senate President. Pinalitan ni Cayetano si Senator Vicente Soto III bilang Senate President nitong Lunes, Mayo 11 matapos makakuha ng 13 boto mula sa kanyang mga kaalyado sa Senado.
So may I manifest that there are now at least 13 members of the Senate who wish to have a leadership change, and that Senator Bato de la Rosa is in the building and will be here in a minute. So may I kindly inform and apologize to the Senate President that for security reasons I could not go up to you earlier to ask you and tell you this, but I have to inform you this way. But I give you all my respect and ask for an orderly transition in accordance with our rules.
Sa mungkahi ni Senator Amy Marcos at agad namang naaprubahan matapos walang tumutol mula sa mga senador. Kasunod nito, isinara ni Joel Villanueva ang nominasyon upang tuluyang makumpirma ang bagong liderato ni Cayetano sa Senado. 8 buwan lamang nanungkulan bilang Senate President si Soto matapos niyang palitan noon si Francis Escudero sa pwesto.